How to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To download and install Genshin Impact on your PC, you can head over and check it out your browser. In the browser, just go ahead and search for Genshin Impact. You can search for genshin.hoyoverse.com or just hoyoverse.com. Here you will see the download tab option which you can directly click on. This will redirect you to a new page. Now before downloading, you can enter email address, verification code and whatnot to log in. If you already have a login, just click on return to log in into your Genshin Impact to download. So let me go ahead and show you how it's gonna look like. So right here you will see PC download Hoyo Play. You need to click on the given button. After that you'll be redirected to the new page. Now as you can see the download has been initiated. Once it is installed, you need to extract the file just like any other app or any other game that you installed. After that you can just go ahead and give it a play. That's much for the video as well. Thank you so much.